Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the gorgeous Icmeler and I'm on Dolphin Square. I'm going to take a little look around the shops, bars and see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, really does help the content. So we've got Golden Moon, Champagne, Steakhouse. If you're new to the channel, my name's Sabrina and I like champagne. So full English breakfast, $6.99. Bacon sausage, Heinz beans, cheesecake, chocolate cake. Nice. Got a nice little shopping centre here, the greenhouse. Got a sale on, always good. I won't go in because I've got a filter on my camera, so it'll make everything really dark, but nice little space. Hello. And then, like I said, I'm on Dolphin Square at the moment. Got the lighthouse. So again, they do food, drinks. Hello. How much is it for an FS? If you're just going to get a pint? 220. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a lovely day. Very nice in there. We went here yesterday, had some drinks. This is a Indian steakhouse and Chinese. Hello, nice to see you. Food looked lovely. They were doing all the sort of flaming steaks and stuff. Nice place. Hello, morning. So this is Bonjour restaurant. Full English. Let's have a look at some of the food. Classics. So they do pizza, beef casserole, chicken dishes, steaks. Some of the prices sort of like around 1,250 lira. How much is it for an FS beer?
200.
200, yeah. Thank you very much. So 200 if you want a beer in there. Hello. Got your bags. Everything you need, all your jewellery. Right, so we're still technically on Dolphin Square. And I'll just show you such a big area. I'm trying to sort of show you as much as I possibly can. So we've got all of that area down there, and then we flip it. We're going to stick to staying around Dolphin Square for this one. Do comment below if you've stayed in this area. Sort of cheers, dance and cocktails, and then you've got Daisy. So you've got all of that down there, but we're going to do a little walk around. So we'll walk around the outside of Dolphin Square just to show you where we are. Got the pretty little dolphin, the fountain. It's not on at the moment, but it's very pretty. So up along here you've got another British bar, quite a few of those around, so I think they're a chain. Good prices. If you watch the other videos you'll see the sort of prices for that. Place to rent your bikes. And that's the details of how to do it there. Zoom in. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there you go. Follow them on their socials. And then you've got your sort of banks as well to get your cash out. Have a look, you've got some go-karts and some little kid trucks here, so if you're coming with your sort of family, I'm sure the little ones would love doing this. Got your little pink neon unicorn, and then you've got your bigger go-karts. Hello. How much is it for a large FS?
Large FS.
200. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I make discount for you. Have a nice holiday.
There we go. Show you the fountain, all the dolphins. Very pretty. Got a ice cream waffle. Looks like it's closed at the moment. Taxi rank. And then you've got good deal, everything for $5 across the road. Not a bad price. And then you've got Mr. Cheap Shopping Centre Bazaar. Hello. Sort of dominates this area. It's got all the sort of billboards, all the advertisement. Pretty much see everything. Got a nice Italian restaurant here. Steakhouse, Italian. Restaurant Mint. There you go, got some signs here.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Hi. And then we've got the masala Chinese and Indian. Very pretty with the lanterns. Look at that. Nice. Oh, I'm okay for now. Thank you very much though.
Nice decoration.
Yeah, very pretty. Like all the decor. We've got Simon's Diamonds. You've got your jewellery. And then you've got Mr. Cheap Outlet. So basically that's the whole Mr. Cheap section there, isn't it? And then you've got Star Kebab House. So let's have a look. Chicken doner or lamb doner for a large 550 lira or 510 for the chicken. And then you've got your deals there as well. So set menu, $11.99, $19.50 or $17.50 if you're going for like the lamb chops, that looks like. Got YOLO. Seems quite busy in here. Tell you what they got. Fajitas, gluten-free, music. Nice. And then coming round to the main street again. So again, you can go all the way down there. And then obviously you can go up round that area as well. And then you've got Migros, which is like their shopping centre basically. There you can get your water and your bits. Little buses as well, they take you all around. Really, really cheap. So you can get taxi or you can get bus. Oh, not for me, sorry. Sorry. People think I'm getting on the bus then. And then you've got your Costa supermarket. Right, let's cross over to Mr. Cheap. Give you a little look on that. Start heading back to Daisy's. That's where I'm gonna meet Kirk. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, it's me and my partner Kirk. We do videos all around showing you prices, nightlife, places to stay, beach walks, hotels, and everything in between. So you've got the outlet, which I'm guessing is the sort of more discounted goods. There we go. I think he's got 3 stores here, 3 or 2 stores, Mr. Cheap. Sort of dominates the Icmeler area. There we go. Big retail and wholesale prices here. Oh, sweltering. Looking forward to going and getting a pint in me. If you want to know the prices, that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to get as many places as possible. I'm not going to get all of them. So help everyone out. If you know a place that's really good value, you have great service, you join, put it in the comments, and then all of the subscribers and community can get that information. All help each other out. Or if you've got somewhere that's really expensive but it's worth it, either one. We'd love to know. All information
So I think it's going to be
is good. So I did just show this one. Good deal, everything for $5. That is a really, really good deal. Hello. British Power. Number one. Best one. There you go. Number one. Right, I think I'm going to end it here then, guys. Like I said. Oh, hang on. Yeah.
Hello. Hello, British bar.
Yeah. So free kids play area, free
Yes.
pool table, free Wi-Fi,
Yes.
food and drinks.
And Max. I am manager here.
Ah, nice to meet you, Max.
Nice to meet you. Very welcome.
I've got to keep walking, but all the subscribers will see this place. If you come into Icmeler, check out the British Bar. Thank you very much. So there you go. Free play area as well. So if you've got the kids, you can have a pint and they can have a little play. Always good. Right. I'm going to love you and leave you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one.